Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Effective Technical Communication. Subject code is 313004, semester 3rd. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about Unit 3, Critical and Creative Thinking. Today we are going to discuss these 2 points, critical and creative thinking. In previous lecture, we have discussed about presentation skill, extemporaneous manuscript memorizations, interview skills, how to make effective presentation, how to analyze audience, local, and many more. Today we are going to learn critical and creative thinking. So the process of objective analysis and evaluation of an idea or a situation in order to form a judgment is called critical thinking. So look at here. First of all, once we listen the word, what is the meaning of thinking? Sometimes you need to take a break from everyone. हमें कभी भी ब्रेक लेनी पड़ती है सब में से हम वी वांट टू स्पेंड आवर टाइम अलोन एंड टू थिंक इन डीपली व्हाट आई एम डूइंग व्हाट इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस अप्रिशिएट एंड लव योर ओन सेल्फ. इट इज़ कॉल्ड थिंकिंग. क्या आप अकेला रहना चाहते हो? डू यू जस्ट थिंक स्पेंड योर टाइम अलोन? थिंक अबाउट many there are many ideas which are coming in your mind when you are alone. समटाइम्स वो पिक्चर आपको याद रहेंगे थिंकिंग में कि ये हुआ था मेरे साथ, ये हो रहा है. एंड यू लव योर ओन सेल्फ. देर आर 2 types of thinkings. Types of thinking, there are 2, critical and creative thinking. Problem solving, critical thinking, it is a problem solving भी है. And creative thinking is a decision making, problem solving, analyzing, evaluating, reasoning. So look at here, we are going to discuss in detail critical thinking. Critical thinking skills: reasoning, evaluating, problem solving, decision making, and analyzing. Critical thinking skills, it includes these steps: how to analyze our problems, our decisions आप कैसे लेते हो, how you evaluate the situations, and उस प्रॉब्लम में से आप कैसे यू आर फाइंडिंग आउट द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम्स. Critical thinking, while first of all I would like to tell you the process of objective analysis and evaluation. The project of objective analysis and evaluation of an idea or a situation in order to form a judgment is called critical thinking. Here I would like to give you one example. While thinking critically, we do a careful examination of different aspects of the issue with good amount of reasoning and evidence. हमारे पास कुछ reasoning भी होना चाहिए और evidence भी होने चाहिए. Here the goal is not to accept or reject. यहाँ पर गोल हमारा ये नहीं है कि we are going to accept or reject, but rather to evaluate the entire issue objectively. We are involved in critical thinking in our daily as well as professional lives. Yeah, we are involved in our daily critical thinking में हम daily professional और हमारी personal life में भी involved है. We use critical thinking ability when we are reasoning, problem solving, evaluating, analyzing, and making decisions. All of these are great importance. Reasoning, evaluating are great importance in your work life, and so critical thinking is important for one's success. How to develop critical thinking? To be able to think critically, you must develop a mind of curiosity, as it helps in getting into the details of an issue and presents you with many arguments and evidences. Here I would like to tell you, you are able to evaluate them all to come to a judgment. So here you are going to take a judgment. Seeking and questioning the idea at one hand helps in digging out more informations. Here you have an open mind with humanity to be able to accept if you were wrong in judgment, in your own judgment. So you have to more and more to think in deeply. This helps you in accepting new and better ideas. Critical thinkers, they think like this, have a passionate drive for clarity, precision, accuracy, relevance, consistency, logicalness, and completeness and fairness. Are sensitive, logicalness, and sensitive to ways in which critical thinking can be swayed by egocentrism, sociocentrism, wishful thinking. Are intellectually honest with themselves, या वो intellectually honest भी होंगे अपने आप से, acknowledging what they don't know and recognizing their limitations. Listen open-mindedly to opposing points of view and welcome criticisms of beliefs and assumptions. Base their beliefs on facts and evidence rather than on personal preference and self-esteem. It helps in seeing every aspect with objectivity, leading to successful decisions and actions. It also improves your comprehension skills. Advantages of critical thinking. It leads creativity. It helps in seeing every aspect with objectivity, leading to successful decisions and actions. If it improves your comprehension skills, so you must have to think deeply. It helps you to focus on facts and evidences. You must have to focus and believe in facts and evidences rather than opinions. Never take an opinions, you will learn on your facts and evidences. It enhances your communication with everyone. It also enhances your communication with everyone around you. People, those who are bond your own self, those people whom you are communicate, your communication will be go ahead, as you are the person who thinks objectively and based on facts and evidences. Examples of critical thinking. A triage nurse analyzes the cases at hand. Triage nurse has most of experience in the cases at hand and decides the order by which the patient should be treated, कि कौन से पेशेंट को उसको ट्रीट कैसे करना है. A plumber evaluates the materials that would best suit a particular job. प्लम्बर भी अपने सोचेगा कि कौन सा मटेरियल मैं अपने जॉब के लिए रखूं, which material is best for him. When you think creatively, you are exploring many new ideas. When you are thinking critically, you are making choices. Choices like, what is creativity? First of all, a person must be aware of what is a creativity. Creativity is a form of energy starting from nothing. आपके माइंड में कुछ भी नहीं है, but you are generating great, original and unique values. माइंड में कुछ नहीं, but you are welcoming your own ideas through your creativity, through your skills. Creative thinking. Thinking out of the box is the mantra for success these days. Being able to think different from others, you must have to be think differ from others, or thinking creatively is very important for everyone. The inventions, innovations and solutions in the world are all products of creative thinking. But every inventions, but the inventions which you are doing, but every inventions are not possible. So why everyone needs to think creatively? This box means, it means boundary built in our minds beyond which there is a known, a risk and a fear that will agree. वो रिस्क भी है कि आप माइंड में से जो सोच रहे हैं कि वो सही है या गलत, you have to think at your own self. Examples of creative thinking skills are problem solving, writing, visual art, communication skills and open-mindedness. Here I would like to tell you this boundary is built due to various factors like genetic, environment, people around us and their thoughts, our own experiences and the knowledge that we gain as students as we learn only the thoughts and inventions of others. Why we don't think creatively? As we said above, first we have a boundary. For example, we know how things are and how they have been since years. So we think they can't be otherwise. There is a risk of failure. What if the idea doesn't work? अगर idea जो work नहीं कर रहा है, so we have a failure. This is a one type of risk in our mind. You have to give up the security of belonging, because when you think differently, you have to leave the crowd. You have to leave the crowd. You have to alone रह के आपको शांति से सोचना है कि मैं जो सोच रहा हूँ वो सही है. The out of the box has an infinite space and direction. You have to give up the security, yeah. And there is no preset line of thought that you can hold on to because you are trying to be creative, which means no one has thought about it till now. One of the reasons people don't feel creative is because they consider it a big sum game, because they have a fear in their mind कि मैं ये नहीं करूँ, solution मुझे इसमें से नहीं मिलेगा. They see people think, look at the people like Einstein in the history books or Steve Jobs in the news, creating innovative ideas that change the world, and they think I could never do that. I could never do that like Steve Jobs. Einstein is the best example. You in box में कुछ में, but you have many ideas in your mind. But you must have to open mindedness रखो. You have to share that. How to think creatively? Once you decided to go out of the box, and you will discover as many alternatives as possible. You can use combination of two or more existing ideas. Sometimes the application of an existing idea in a completely different manner brings about innovation also. So you have to think like that. Thinking creatively doesn't mean coming up with a completely new idea. You must have to be open-minded. Be an open-minded also. Share your own ideas. Assess the value of new idea, as this is an undiscovered territory. So you have to think like that. Thank you very much, dear all.